traffic, Cessna 172 Bravo Sierra Victor, entering and rolling runway 35 right for a crosswind departure to Albury via Sugarloaf, Moorabbin. Right, time is 17 past. Runner up. Off the brakes, full power. Airspeed's alive. Temperatures and pressures are in the good, in the green. I've got revs, 50, 55, 60. Feet.
Bravo Sierra Victor, return.
Bravo Sierra Victor, go ahead.
Bravo Sierra Victor, are you maintaining 4,500?
Affirm, Bravo Sierra Victor, I was just about to call you at Chiltern inbound.
Bravo Sierra Victor, roger. It's an appropriate level. Also got traffic outbound that way at 4,500, so I suggest you descend immediately.
Descending 3,500, Bravo Sierra Victor. Albury Tower, Cessna 172, Bravo Sierra Victor overhead, Chiltern 3,500, inbound with Bravo.
Lima X-ray India, report altitude.
Lima X-ray India, it now is 4,100 feet.
Lima X-ray India. Bravo Sierra Victor, clear direct Albury 3,500.
Clear direct Albury 3,500, Bravo Sierra Victor.
Lima X-ray India, 20 miles, frequency change approved.
Lima X-ray India.
Albury Tower, Bravo Sierra Victor.
Bravo Sierra Victor.
Bravo Sierra Victor, I'm unfamiliar with Albury, so need some help, thank you. Cheers.
Bravo Sierra Victor, are you ready for descent?
Affirm, Bravo Sierra Victor.
Bravo Sierra Victor, roger. Cleared visual approach and join final runway 07.
Clear visual approach and join final runway 07, Bravo Sierra Victor. So, OBS, course, 70. 5 miles out. 1,500 feet above.
Bravo Sierra Victor, do you have to remain side?
Affirm, Bravo Sierra Victor.
Bravo Sierra Victor, clear to land.
Clear to land, Bravo Sierra Victor.
Victor. Are you parking in the GA?
AFM, I'll be departing in about an hour. Bravo Sierra Victor.
Sierra Victor, Roger. Just take the taxiway on your right and you can just follow that taxiway and pass the tower. Then you can take the first or second left past the tower. The GA is just southwest of the tower. You'll see 3 other planes parked in there.
I'll follow your instructions. Bravo Sierra Victor. Do I need to call ground?
No, that's fine. There's nothing going on.
Albury ground. Bravo Sierra Victor in the GA area. Request taxi runway 07 for an upwind departure to Canberra via Chiltern.
Bravo Sierra Victor, Albury ground, taxi holding point Echo, runway 07, time 39.5, and clear direct to Chiltern, 7,500.
Taxi to holding point Echo, runway 07, and clear direct Chiltern, 7,500. Repeat the QNH for me, please.
1016.
1016, Bravo Sierra Victor, thanks.
Bravo Sierra Victor, do you have information, Charlie?
AFM, Bravo Sierra Victor.
Bravo Sierra Victor.
No.
And Bravo Sierra Victor, just for your own knowledge, at aerodromes like this we don't use upwind and downwind departures. That's typically for those Moorabbin and Bankstown towers.
Okay, thanks for that. Cheers. Albury Tower, Bravo Sierra Victor ready. Holding point Echo, runway 07.
Bravo Sierra Victor, backtrack if required and cleared for takeoff. Make left turn.
Backtracking and make left turn. Cleared for takeoff, Bravo Sierra Victor. Okay, liner up. Feet off the brakes, full power. Speed's alive. Pitches and pressures are in the green. 55. Albury to Bravo Sierra Victor departure.
Bravo Sierra Victor.
Bravo Sierra Victor on climb 7,500 for Chiltern, tracking 040.
Bravo Sierra Victor at 30 miles, frequency change approved.
Frequency change approved at 30 miles, Bravo Sierra Victor. Okay, so autopilot. Heading and out. And nav.